Geo from Geo and Ken.
Definitely. Smash. Smash.
I Art Mommy.
All queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake. All queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hey guys, I'm Tash and welcome back to another banger video. So today I'm here with two special beautiful ladies.
Follow me at Taveionn on my Instagram. For my personal Instagram page and brushed underscore for my business page.
Guys, you can follow me on Instagram at Kayla 1_, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Kayla Klein.
Kayla Klein.
Yeah, and subscribe to my YouTube as well at Taveionn Telephone.
Subscribe to my YouTube as well, Tash Bears.
Yeah, make sure to subscribe. Don't just watch.
Comment, like, comment, share.
All of the good things. I will leave their YouTube link below and also check out their channel for other videos featuring us three. Let me period. So today we're doing something kind of fun. I don't know, I love Smash or Pass on my channel. I don't know why, but I love that. So today YouTubers will smashing and passing YouTubers. Oh, iconic. So I don't know the rules of Smash or Pass already. Especially if one person smashing or one person passing. Give a little brief explanation why you pass or why you smashing. One of the why my balls are not. Yeah. So for the first person, 20 price. He's a comedian. We're doing comedians and YouTubers, by the way. And I don't know most of these names, so we'll probably Google them or
Yeah, look, you Instagram.
yeah, Instagram them.
I've heard his name, but I don't know how it is.
That's a pass for me.
Show?
Oh, this one.
He literally looks like
He
a
did the
kangaroo.
Honda.
Oh,
He looks like a kangaroo.
Honda.
it's a pass for me. He looks short.
It was a smash back then when he had hair. Now it's a pass.
You got here?
Yeah, it had the little bead thing. You remember my signature look?
Pass.
You need have a buzz in him ear. Tell truth.
This is
He's alright.
He's a smash with his ear and a pass no. Next person, Prince Pine.
pass.
I've never seen him in person outside of me.
I don't know. Like
He's a
these are.
smash.
I don't really like.
Why is
people
that
who-
smash?
Because he's dark skin. I like dark skin and he has nice lips. So.
Outside
How tall is he?
yeah.
I don't think he's taller than me, but he's not taller.
Him, comedians.
You don't laugh?
No, I like to laugh, but like, no.
Pass, you have to be 6 feet and
So much things you
you
So
have to be
what's
6 feet. Fat skull.
I feel like I'm doing too much.
It's a pass for me.
You're funny. No,
You're
you
funny,
are really
but
funny.
it's a pass.
And
I'm
but
sorry.
he's dark skin, so why won't you smash?
No,
He's dark
but
skin.
like,
Dark skin and skinny is a different type of buzz.
The maga man,
Fat.
I'm a buzz.
The mother man them have a buzz.
But like, fat stuff.
Being a crazy. That's the guy that's always shouting.
Oh,
Oh.
Lord.
Yeah, I have a buzz, but it's a pass.
And little, him look like my height.
Really?
And
You
small.
sure?
I never seen him in person, but
I've
in
never
videos,
seen
his
him in
videos, him look small.
Yeah, he
Like
looks
I can
like
just-
short.
Damn, we are passing everyone.
No,
To be
like,
picky.
I'm gonna be like,
Too much
"Mr.
passing.
Pass, everybody.
Alright, you know Fry Irish?
No.
I know the channel, but I don't know the person.
Them
He's like more than one person on the channel still.
More than one person in Fried Irish?
You know, like on the channel.
I
He's
think
like,
this one made Fried Irish.
he looks young.
I'm buying a
I'm
madam. No.
I'm sorry.
I'm not giving my smash
What's
nice.
serious?
Pause.
You give him smash?
By looks. Him tall. He look tall and he look dark. Him, you know,
He's very
him
muscular.
face, yeah. Him face, him have an average face. But like my guys, they're medium ugly.
Me
So-
like them ugly.
Medium ugly.
Thank you. Ugly. Hideous.
You have really nice muscles. You have a buzz.
We just can't take it comedic.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like you can't take it
I
serious.
can't. I hate it. Like.
When we're out sex, I'm gonna laugh. Cause I don't remember your video. Oh my
I love
God.
Ram, but jeez, relax.
Nitro Immortal.
That's the guy with the big. His eyes are big, right?
His eyes not
I
big.
don't remember.
Oh, I don't know what.
I think he's
what
from
he did.
Carolina though. From my face. This is
His
him.
face got hard.
Oh, it's all to my.
Yeah, I believe.
He looks short. All these boys are short.
No, who picked the? Who
Me like the video here.
Yeah, no, no,
I like
no.
this.
Too much.
We need new followers on Instagram because them followers here, them set me up. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, it's a pass again.
I haven't smashed anybody. Jeez.
Dirty Berry.
What's the joke? What's the joke? I'm sorry, boy.
Smash.
Bye.
Wow, it's crazy. I art money.
I'm only quiet, so.
Everybody's so quiet.
What old is he?
23, I think he just turned 20. Or 22. 23, 22.
Him still small, him short and brown.
He has really nice eyes.
Yes, and he's good
Like-
looking.
Yeah, he's good looking. Like, I give him that. He's really good looking, but I don't know. It's a pass for me.
It's a pass from me.
Pass.
I'm probably gonna say, no man, I get a feel like better than people, but more. That's not what women like.
And you guys already know say I'm okay money, so it's a pass.
I could make a friend with him.
And that
Since I know him.
No, sir, I know you. Them time to make a pass.
Wow, like I don't see anyone on this list.
I feel like what people just come up with.
I don't know like other YouTubers, I don't really know YouTubers.
I don't know.
Trouble Link up. Trouble Link.
Troubling
Trouble Link, I
TV.
mean.
Troubling series. Something. In par with Nitro.
Oh, him definitely very short.
What's stress?
He looks older than me,
So may I cook some food?
so
Dinner as
Dinner,
it's,
huh?
it's a language, good language, yeah. Cooking some dinner at this point, so Senator can come home and make sure you have some warm.
We like a man that cooks.
We
Yeah,
are
I
Because
know.
I'm not a people.
them locked. Second country.
Pass.
pass.
Fed up.
No, I feel stressed. Literally feel stressed.
Things him.
Oh,
Oh, guys, I did have this.
Things him.
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh, old is he? Me
Probably
sorry, I don't want
like-
people to look at me and
Probably
I'm not gonna
19.
he's like 19, 20. Him have a buzz, so that's smash for me.
Sing is too short. He's way too short.
He's short?
He's short, but
short.
like-
He's like my height.
Really?
Yeah, he's short.
Him a little.
Oh, how tall are you?
I'm 5 foot.
Flat?
5'2" no.
Wow, that's crazy.
No,
He
but
looks
he's probably like
tall.
1 inch taller than that. No, him is short.
So if he's taller than me, I'm 5'4".
You taller than me?
Yeah. I'm
I look
5'4".
small. Anyways.
I'm the tallest one here. I'm almost 6 feet, but still a smash for me. Smash.
He's very good looking
I'm
though.
grown.
But I'm 23 years old. I can't smash a 19-year-old. Yeah.
But let's like put smash for the next person.
Okay. King.
King?
From King and Shay. So I go put smash with the next person. So put smash now.
He's King and Shade. No, I don't
You
know.
don't know King and Shade?
No, I don't know.
No, them funny, hilarious.
Smash
Smash
yeah,
your king.
Yeah.
Smash. Yeah. Yeah, Shay. Smash.
Alright, this is King in the DPV.
Can a video of him?
Oh, wow.
Come on, shit.
That's him? I'm sorry, but it's a pass.
So Taveionn, Taveionn,
Smash.
tell me why you smash?
I'm smashing King.
What?
King is a good cook. Yeah.
Pass.
King seems like a good man. Husband material. Image from Image and Dolly. You know Image?
No, I don't know about things. Okay, so I'm skinny and he's kind of, you know,
Chubby.
chubby.
The way
so
I see
it's
you
a
acting in
pass.
that video is just how it will turn out.
You like Batman, the rough man thing.
Yeah.
Talk up, my girl.
Girl.
Talk up, my girl. No, but yeah.
JNL TV. Me put smash with JNL.
Pass.
Let me look it up.
Yes, I know.
Let me see.
You know when do the when do public interviews?
Yeah, I'm sorry that I've been content.
He's a nice little chocolate, you know, dark skin.
So wait, can you have himself?
Still a pass for me. Pass.
Okay, here's it.
Let's get tucked in.
We love ads.
We just gave you $1, nigga.
Cool bedtime story. Welcome, people. Sit down here, boy, Jenny.
Wait, I know this. It will be
This guy from St. Thomas?
I don't know.
He's from Kingston.
Oh, for real? Oh, shit.
Me put a smash.
Yeah, I'm going to
Yeah.
say smash. She's okay. Not really what I'd go for, but he's fine. Have a look at hair, dark skin. Have a look at voice.
But like guys smile, I want to see you smile. Smile for me, baby. Smile.
I don't think he smiles. He has nice teeth.
She probably should be rating people these days. Okay, Rush Cam.
Oh, rush.
Rush Cam, you're very good looking. I'm put up smash.
Yeah, you look good, but you kind of win. So,
I don't know. I'm passive. I don't have a reason. I don't know. Just not.
kind of too wimpy.
Kind of too nerdy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love nerds.
You know the
Really?
Yeah,
Bye,
there's a
bye.
right side.
Nerds any time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love nerds.
White Perry.
It's a pass.
Yeah.
You're really funny.
No, I
Too
like
light
your channel
skin.
actually.
Yeah. It's too light skin for me.
You have a good channel.
Too light skin.
Yeah. I like dark guys. It's good looking and you know him big and him tall. But
Yeah, you
fast.
have a buzz. I like your personality.
Yeah, I do.
I like your YouTube channel.
I've met him twice in person. I've worked with him once when I did a spy shoot and he's very nice. But
I see him as like a best friend or a brother.
Yeah.
I would have smashed.
Gio from Gio and Ken.
Definitely smash. Smash.
I'm gonna say pass. Not that anything is wrong with Jill, but I'm gonna say just like how she know them, I know them, so
Pass because I seem like a bro type.
yeah.
Yeah, like he's good looking, everything, and out of respect for the relationship also.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay,
you guys
pass.
know them.
Yeah.
I don't know them, so that's smash.
I know.
And he's like a baby.
He's a baby.
Yeah. No.
How old are you?
Oh no, Jill's mine.
18.
He's
No, he's older than you.
19.
Okay, I think the last person. This reached 10 minutes yet? Okay, cool. The last person is Life of Akeem. I don't know who is this. Married man? No,
No,
I don't,
sir.
I don't want bad luck follow me. He
looks
looking
old.
well. Yeah, he look good.
Oh, you. I'm sorry, it's a smash.
Yeah, it's a smash.
It's a
Sorry, bad luck
smash.
follow me.
Smash.
And he look like he from eyes.
Hey, we'll talk about you.
Life of Akeem. Okay, he can smash.
Smash. He got nice lips.
Girl, give the
We
man
don't
a
want
smash.
bad luck follow me. We don't want to follow me.
Okay, I'm gonna have any person who want.
But you look good though, you look good.
Oh, what's his name? Dale, the guy that come in Springtown.
Oh, not the pass for me.
I don't know who that is.
You don't know Springtown?
Him do the Wolf of
That was
comedy
a
comedy.
show too.
Yeah, show
Maybe I know his
man.
face, but not his name.
Him have locks.
And I need to see the face.
He's a shooter.
Daily mirror.
You have a nice smile and I like it how you do your hair and stuff.
It's a smash for me.
That's a smash. Keep funny. I probably laugh while.
Come to me. What?
I probably laugh while we're smashing. That's his fun.
I'm funny for real. Your content is.
Smash, is it done?
He's cute though. First of
Is
all,
that
we
YouTuber?
let him take the picture.
No, it's a TikToker.
Let him take the picture, so why would you
Light
want
skin.
to?
The light skin.
Light skin, yeah.
Light skin.
It's a screenshot from a video.
Oh, for real?
This is what it looks like. That TikToker. Very famous.
He's Jamaican.
Yeah.
He's very good looking though.
But it's a smash for me.
The thing is, I don't like. That's why I like my guys medium ugly. I can't bother with me ready and you still in the mirror and you.
I like them ugly.
You want to take your pictures?
You like your man ugly?
Yeah, no, like.
Oh, ugly. Ninja man ugly.
No, like I just like a guy that looks rough. Like, you know, Abdul is sweet, but I feel like anybody that too cute gay.
Yeah,
What?
most of
To
them.
me, like, so I go for the rougher, dark skin, maga.
Bad man.
Yeah, no, not necessarily. No, just
Crazy.
It's like a bad man for me. I like the man who puts on tattoo, you know?
yeah,
And just have the look of her, like, you know, buzz. DDG?
DDG. Or DDG. This is Jamaica. DDG and Mary. You don't know
You don't know
DDG?
DDG? He's like one of the most subscribed to first man YouTuber right now.
OG.
He's like one of the richest.
DDG full of buzz. He's a nerd.
Oh yeah.
He's a cool nerd. He's definitely my type. Valedictorian as you say.
You know, he got that brick on brick, you know? Pick me up.
I know. Okay, so this Smash Our Pass has come to an end. Sorry we didn't like smash your face.
Yeah.
It's just our personal preference. It is what it is. So make sure to still like this video.
Give it a thumbs up, guys.
Give it a thumbs up.
Comment below. Subscribe
Make sure you
to
subscribe to our channels.
and to Kayla's and Taveionn. Yeah, and head over to their channel for another video.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.